Alright, Andrew. I'm going to just let you look at my phone. It's Wednesday, January 22nd, 2009. Just going to give you a quick video tour of the truck. It's currently has 54.42 on the miles. I just took it and had it washed. I just went to a regular car wash. Had it done. It's just too cold to get the brushes out and do it, especially I'm about to take this trip or whatever. It's gonna be a probably make it dirty on the way down anyway, but it's gonna give you a good once over of the truck. I'm gonna try to make this quick so it doesn't cost a lot of data. Let me crank her up. Doors open all the way, like that. Seats fold up. It's brand new condition. Nothing wrong. No stains. They even got plastics for the seat. I always put on the plastic when I'm driving. Got XM radio, climate control. It's got OnStar. Pretty clean. I'm going to stop it here. If you have any more questions, let me know.